Welcome to Vedifile everyone. Today's topic is phagocytosis. Nutrition in an amoeba occurs through a process called phagocytosis. The mode of nutrition in amoeba is holozoic. Phagocytosis has following steps. Ingestion. It is the process of taking in the food into body with the help of pseudopodia, and the formation of a food vacuole occurs. Digestion. It is the process of breaking the insoluble and large food molecules into soluble and minute molecules, and nutrients are absorbed. Assimilation. It is the process of obtaining energy from the absorbed food molecules. Egestion. This process is carried out by rupturing the cell membrane to remove the undigested food material from its body. For more information, like and follow our Facebook and Instagram handle.